So I've written a book called Science in the Sun, and guess what I'm doing? I'm also incorporating some STEM outreach activities. We've received some corporate sponsorship, and we also need additional sponsorship to be able to go into primary schools, basic schools, and donate books. Also, to set up fun STEM activities. So you may be wondering, your book is for ages 3 to 7, but the idea is by introducing children to STEM at an early age to ignite that spark so that once they get into high school, they would already have that love for science. Now, by incorporating the actual activities, for example, color theory, making a volcano, doing some explorations, it will just be a complete package, which is a wonderful addition. We have 4 packages available. We have our Platinum STEM Explorer, the Gold Science Explorer, and the Silver Science Trailblazer. And we also have the individual package where you can also sponsor a child, and then we'll go into different schools and do the outreach from there. So here's how you can get involved. Send us an email at hello@dianeplummer.com once you have selected your packages. Now we're also looking for volunteers to read these books to kids and to do the fun STEM activities. So send us an email at hello@dianeplummer.com as well. Thank you so much.